Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's to MOSHEH TV here again, and welcome to 2025 and Happy New Year. So we are back to our duty, we are back to our job, and today's update is gonna be basing on the looks of Onitsha down to Awka Road and slash Asaba Road, how they are looking this festive season, and we're gonna be giving you a little tips, the reason why they are deserted and the rest. So on my way coming back, to mark the end of my holidays, because body no firewood like the last video I made. So I have to travel for New Year. I did not travel for Xmas, I actually traveled for New Year. So, and right now I'm back again to continue with what we have started. So, and on my way coming back, today being Monday, the 6th of January 2025, I noticed that the road was deserted. I started filming from that Amobi axis, though I did not film the flyover, but that Amobi flyover everywhere is looking so deserted. Just a few people can be seen around the Amobi axis. So from there we are heading down to other axes, to Endugwa Digede, to Bariam, to Okuzo Junction, down to Ugidi, down to Mbo, then down to Onitsha axis, even Onitsha head bridge. Then we're going to be entering Asaba. So one of the things I will say that is contributing to this the road being deserted is that we are on festive season, and currently people are still in the village. Some are there because they are yet to finish up their celebration, while some are there maybe they have one or two wedding to attend or burial and other meetings. So after 25th, 26th and the rest, once we enter New Year, burial arrangement, weddings and everything will be we start kicking off. So a lot of people are traveling, or maybe are still in the village for this celebrations and the rest. So, and that is also contributing to the reason why the road has been deserted. So people has traveled, a lot of people have avoided the road for now. Then the second thing that is making the whole place look more deserted is because today is Monday and it's sit at home. So a lot of people who supposed to even come out today may be inside their house observing the Monday sit at home. And the third thing is that today being the Monday, being the sit at home, even markets are not open. Even some of the markets that used to open on the Monday sit at home are also not open, because we are still on festive season. So both things, the both I just mentioned just go hand in hand in contributing to the road being deserted. So you can see how scanty the road is. Like, I never wanted to make this video, but I was looking at the whole road. I was like, wow, why is this road like this? Like, I know this road has not that very busy, but at least I know that by now a lot of motors has overtake us or something, or we'll be meeting a lot on the way. But look at how empty the road is. So I decided to just cover the whole place and show you guys. So I'm gonna also be showing you the airport, how it is looking this Xmas. So the last time I updated you guys about that airport site, I made mention of this painting of this demarcation, but as you can see, the painting extended down to Awka, down to Onitsha axis. So they kind of repaint the whole, or painted the whole demarcation along this road. Even the road curbs, everything was repainted. The only thing is that the road was not swept. That's the only thing. They did not sweep the road, but they repainted the whole place. That's just it. So from here we're gonna be heading to other axis. Just you're gonna be seeing everything for yourself. The only place I said I can say that I just is a little busy. Is this Ibariam, within Ibariam Junction, then Okuzo Junction. Then the next place was around should I say around the toll gate side, though not that busy. Then the next place is once before you get to Head Bridge is a little not very busy, just just a kind of little. It's not that busy. Just people coming back from traveling. Some people who are just coming out. Not that busy because a lot of markets are not yet open. So it's not busy. It's not busy at all. The road is scanty. So, but entering into Asaba, I noticed that Asaba is not also busy. The road is somehow deserted. Though some places are bubbling, like it's not that bubbling, like Oko Market side is somehow should I say semi hot, not very hot. Then getting close to Gemok side, then heading to Coca, you can see that I did not capture them, but they are just like manageable, I would say. But all I can say in all the things that the place is just scanty. The road is currently being scanty. So by tomorrow, because a lot of markets will be opening by tomorrow. Tomorrow is 7th January 2025. So a lot of markets like Obogo and the rest are gonna be fully opened for by tomorrow, being the 7th of January 2025. So watch the video through and see how the whole place is looking. So we are currently approaching the airport. You're gonna be seeing everything, how the place is currently looking and the rest. So for those who don't know, who are yet to know about what's happened here, what happened here is that the second this second express, the one that's supposed to have a direct link to that airport side, was not touched. Yeah, it has not been touched. They have not built construct that road, and that was one of the reason why the governor of the state have to a kind of remove this demarcation to link the upper airport road to this particular already tied road. That is what happened here, for those who are yet to be aware of this. So if you are yet to be aware, I have a lot of video concerning the airport, even the view of the the current look of the airport, and all the repainting and the other maintenance going on that axis. I have the videos on this channel. You can go check them out. So guys, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button, and don't forget to like the video, and also drop your comments in case you have. So from now henceforth, we're gonna be giving you guys updates back to back. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Till we are meeting again so soon in another update. Bye.